Welcome to Technical RPA. This video we are going to discuss about how to create flowchart or pie chart related things through the visualization level through Python. Here you can see I'm using NumPy and as well as matplotlib. So two packages I got included. NumPy is for numeric Python. It is simply used for numerical calculations, and matplotlib specially used for interactive support at IPython session, which means visualization of flowchart, pie chart, and different type of charts we can create through matplotlib. Matplotlib is a package. If anyone knows .NET Java, the matplotlib they already used, and they can include and they can create charts. The same way here we are using matplotlib, and inside the matplotlib I'm importing only pyplot. Here you can see I am taking two variables. First one is ys coordination. Here I am taking the length of y is 200 plus, the length of x is 100. So here simply I am adding numpy as np. So just I am adding the vertical level I need 200 plus. So I had added 200 plus np. Here you can see np is my numpy package value. Here I am adding numpy with random. Here you can see once you give dot, the package as well give the values which is having inbuilt. I am adding numpy random, and inside the numpy random I am adding random. Here the random I am giving as input 100. So my x-axis should be 100, but my y-axis should be 200 plus. Also here I am defining x-axis and range length of OS. Here I am defining just a length with your one for loop. Suppose my length increases, suppose my values has been increases, so my vertical level as well increased, and based on the visualization of the chart. So the third step is I'm creating flat chart, flat dot flat, and I'm taking already I'm created list x, as it started from 0 up to 100. Also here I'm taking my OS, it is my numpy array, and it will increase 200 plus with 100 plus x-axis. Here I'm adding again my plot, and here MATLAB, you can see MATLAB how it is filling data. Here I am filling between x-axis what I am calculated range and y, and here I am making 195. Here you can see it started from 195 and increasing at the level of 202. So when I creating MATLAB, I am filling values between from 195 as well, and it is making based on my extension of OS, it will increase on it. Here I am giving face color green, and alpha level is 0.6. Alpha level is nothing but that my saturation level of pie chart. Here again I am adding title, so simple visualization of chart, or else simple visualization of pie chart. Then finally what I'm here, I'm adding only title. You can see the title. Finally I'm giving pld.show to show the visualization. I'm running on it. So saved successfully. You can get the pie chart as a sample visualization of pie chart. Suppose I'm going to start from 180. I'm getting 180. I'm running. Okay, just I'm taking from 180 onwards. Here instead of 200 I'm taking 300. Okay, here you can see it started from 200 and it's ending to 300. So this is the way we can increase. Also I can change, instead of 100 x-axis I'm taking 150. So here you can see I'm making S 150, here 200 to 300. So my chart is giving this way, but you will not get the proper level of chart because some values which I given is something differ. So again I'm reverting back. The if pie chart has to give the proper values, if you give proper values you will get the chart will give, you can see narrow down of lines based on the saturation level, so it will increase on it. So this is a simple one, and based on the length and height what you are given, the pie chart will show you the Python using matplotlib will show you the chart. And also here you can see you can copy image or else save image or else you can open in new image. Here I am copying image, just copying and pasting here. Okay guys, thanks for watching this, and next video we can see some additional learnings.